In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use Klarna to buy on eBay. So let's get started. So if you want to pay with Klarna on eBay, it's actually pretty simple, but there are a few things you need to check first. Not every seller or every country supports Klarna. So the first step is to make sure Klarna is available in your region and that the listing, the product that you're buying, accepts it as a payment method. So let's say once you have found the item you want to buy, let's go ahead and click on one of these items right here. You want to scroll down and see the payment methods. This is all in Deutsch right now, in German, but if you convert that to English, you'll see that the payment methods are these, so PayPal, Visa, and so on, and you can see Klarna listed among them. So now you want to go ahead and either add it to your cart or just go ahead and buy immediately. And right, so you can either have, if you have an account, you can buy it straight up, but you can also buy it as a guest. So just go ahead and click on that, and you want to scroll down here and have your delivery address fully completely written, and all your mobile number and so on. And then you can see down here, well, once that's done, you can see what to pay with, and down here you can see you can have normal options with Visa and your credit card, or perhaps or PayPal, but there's also plenty of options with Klarna you can do. So let me do the address section first. It's taking its time. Let me go ahead and refresh. Alright, okay, so there you go. Yeah, okay. And right, okay, so yeah, now I can go ahead and let me turn that to English. Now I can go ahead and choose the Klarna option I want. So do I want to pay up in 30 days, I want to pay immediately, or I want to pay it with an installment plan? Let's say I want to pay it all in 30 days. I'll go ahead and click that, and I can just go ahead and write pay with Klarna. So now it's gonna open this pop-up window, and here it's gonna ask you to create a Klarna account or ask you to log in with your Klarna account. I have already done that. I have a Klarna account, and yeah, everything's here already, so I can just now go ahead and purchase, go ahead and be done with my purchase, and later it's gonna redirect me back to eBay, confirming my purchase and maybe perhaps receiving a confirmation email for the order. And keep in mind that Klarna may run a quick credit check, and approval isn't always guaranteed. And also make sure you pay Klarna on time to avoid late fees. And well, that's it. That's how you pay with Klarna on eBay in just a simple few steps. So anyways, I hope this video helps you guys out, and that'll be for today, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.